Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Now I'm going to show you how we can select all the games that can be played using the Kinect sensor. So this is a very simple setting, but it can help you save a lot of time. So it's very easy. You have to use your standard controller. In my case, I have this Xbox controller. You can see it is connected. You have to just press this top right button. Okay. As soon as I press this button, the setting menu will be opened. And now you can see that it tells you can go left and right with the help of your joystick. So you can just see, and you can select the Kinect. Once the Kinect is there, you can press your A button, and now out of all the games, 25 games that can be played with the help of Kinect can be selected. It makes your navigation very easy. So I will show you all the games that can be played with Kinect sensor. For example, this is one of the game, 3-point contest. The next is Big League Sports, and then Darts versus Zombies, Deca Sports Freedom, Doodle Jump, Double Fine Happy Action Theater, Fighters Uncaged, Fruit Ninja, Harry Potter, Hole in the Wall, Home Run Stars, then Hulk Hogan's main event, Ice Age Continental Drift, Julian the Fitness Adventure, Kinect Adventures, Kinect Party, Kinect Rush, Kinect Sports Season 2, Star Wars, then this is Kinectimals, and Kinect Joyride. Now we have Lead Me's and Sharpen Your Blades, and again Ski Race, and then we go to the 3-point contest. All of these games can be played with the help of Kinect camera. This Kinect enables you to play the games without any controller. So I will try to make more videos to help you understand what type of games these are and how we can play these games. The benefit of this setup in your clinical setup or in your rehabilitation center is that you can help engage your patients, especially if they are children, in the rehabilitation, and you can use their own body movements. You can help them regain or improve the motor control, and this is also providing a feedback in the form of audio and visual. So it is very easy, and it is user friendly. It is very economical to purchase. In Pakistan, you can purchase this setup very easily in anywhere between 40 to 50,000, depending upon what are the specs of the Kinect or what are the specs of Xbox 360. If it is J tagged, or if the hard disk is 500 GBs or 1 terabyte or things like that, that makes the difference. But from as low as like 35 to 40,000, you can buy all of this, and you can use this in your rehabilitation center. So I hope you like this video. If you have any questions, if you want to know more about this, do let me know. Thank you very much.